Good day guys, this is Kunle Crypto. I'm back again to share this amazing website where you can earn by reading emails online. You heard me right. Read email online to earn cash. So I stumbled upon this amazing website recently, and before I show my subscribers or my fans any website, I do my verifications, I do my research, and to make sure that I don't introduce them to a bad website. So I did my verifications on pay to read emails, and I found out they are genuine. So how do you log in? How do you sign up to this website? You can sign up by clicking on paytoreademail.com. When you click on it on your browser, a page like this will be displayed. Don't get rid of page/to/read/email/.com. A page like this will be displayed on your screen as it is displayed on the screen now. So you just have to input your name, your password in order to log in. When you sign up, your details, your email, your zip code, where you live, everything you need, you just input it. And the beauty of this website is that it is available to everyone all over the world. Anywhere you are, you can access this site to earn. So when you log in and when you register with this site, your welcome bonus will be $3. And for every email you read, you're going to get $0.2. So they may give you 5, 10 per day. So, and that I feel is a sort of passive income. When you get $2, when you make $2 per day, that's something. Just make sure you're consistent with it. So let me take you through how you navigate this site. When this page is displayed, you click on this. As you can see, this is my earning. I've earned the sign up bonus. I joined a few hours ago, and your sign up bonus is $3. I'm still waiting for the email in my box. So sign up bonus is $3. When you click on this again, profile, I want to show you the profile. Yeah, these are my details. Let me take it back. This is my earning. I'm yet to really earn much because I'm just signing up on this website. So when you click on this paid email, these are some surveys. I don't really advise you to do this since we're concerned about email. When you click this paid emails, yeah, it's still empty. There's no mail for me to read at the moment. If there's mail, it will be indicated here. So this is the amazing website I would like to share with you guys. This is just register through. I will drop a link in the comment section. You can register through the link or you register directly. So thank you and God bless.